In addition, it is easy to enhance your voice. In order to do that, we can simply use the Vocal Enhancer right here in the specials. So you can see that there's Vocal Enhancer right here. So let us see how that works out. Hello there and welcome to TutorTube. Today we're going to learn about Adobe Audition. So over here you can see that the vocal range is low in some point and high in some point, which really distorts the audio right there. So let us play that out to see how it sounds. Hello there and welcome to TutorTube. Today we're going to learn about Adobe. So by using Vocal Enhancer, what you can do is you can balance the things out. In order to do that, I can simply go into effects right here, and inside of special you can see that there's option for Vocal Enhancer, and here in the preset you can see that you can choose from female voice, male, or music if you're actually enhancing music itself. So I'm going to choose male and I'm going to press apply, and once you do that you can see that the audio waves are much more balanced out. And let us see how that sounds now. Hello there and welcome to TutorTube. Today we're going to learn about Adobe Audition. So you can hear that the voice is much more balanced and the audio levels are okay as well. I can do that once more. I can simply go into effects right here, go to special, Vocal Enhancer, apply it once more so it balances it out more, and you can see that the audio waves are much more balanced compared to the previous audio wave files right there. So let me just play that out. Hello there and welcome to TutorTube. Today we're going to learn about Adobe Audition. So you can see that you can change the vocal power itself by using the Vocal Enhancer setting. So that is how you can use the Vocal Enhancer inside of Adobe Audition. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.